Hey, welcome to Mobile Freedom Enterprise. Here we have an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3. Now, this is not the cellular version, as I only opted to get this because my wife had to get hers. So I said, hey, as long as we're buying a watch that's proof. And let's see, this is the 42 millimeter space gray aluminum and the gray sport band. I was hoping for the black sport band. Who wants a gray sport band? I don't know. Anyways, they didn't have many choices. Otherwise, for only $50 more, we would have gotten, or she would have gotten the cellular version, and for about $75 more, I would have gotten the 48 millimeter version. So nothing to look at here, nothing special, but here we go. Single-handed unboxing, unfortunately, because I left my. Let's see. Let me open this, and so we're back after some of that plastic cover. I want to keep it on because I will most likely exchange it for the cellular when they have it in stock. They said they would have it maybe a couple of weeks. Only have 15 days, so they better have it before the 15th day, hopefully. Anyways, you open it up, and there you go. And it is a gray, but it looks black, which is great. Now, keep in mind, I'm coming from the Pebble that I love so dearly, but the band broke. So, one thing I love about the Pebble is the fact that this thing would last at least 7 days on a single charge. It was fantastic. It did everything I needed. Notifications, information. I needed GPS as well. And here you go. Here's the watch, and you get the watch. What do you get in this package? Some welcome information, a backup band, I guess, or no, it's probably a smaller one. 2 sizes, so it's the same. That's all that's in there. And you pull this open, and you have the wireless charger and the brick, charging brick. Okay, and that's it. I'll do a video on my feedback on what I think about this particular series, the non-cellular series. I mean, you could still connect to the phone with Bluetooth, and I always have the phone in my pocket anyways. I'm not a female who has her purse lying around, and usually, they leave it and they forget where their phone was left. Mine's always in my pocket, so I don't think I need the cellular version, but I would use it if I can use it with a prepaid company like Simple Mobile, pay $25 a month, unlimited talk and text and some data. I'd be interested in that. So I'm going to go on YouTube and see if there are any videos, or if anyone can comment if that's even possible. That'd be great. Otherwise, I don't see what, you guys can comment. Tell me why you think I should get the cellular version versus this one. I've seen a few videos on YouTube, but none of them give me any real reason why I should switch. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching Mobile Freedom Enterprise. And more information on here? No. Thank you so much for watching Mobile Freedom Enterprise.